Hello guys and welcome to Math Adventures. In this short video, I will be showing you how to find the highest common factor using the prime factorization method. It's really simple, so let's get ahead. So here guys, we are going to find the highest common factor of 30, 126 and 108. So let's get started. First, I'm going to find the prime factors of 30. For that, I'm going to divide 30 by the lowest prime number, which is 2. When I divide 30 by 2, I get a 15. But as you know, 15 is not divisible by 2. I have to divide it by a number which divides 15, that is 3. So when I divide 15 by 3, I get a 5. And since 5 is also a prime number, 5 is only divisible by 5. So I divide 5 by 5 and get a 1. Now 30 is done. Let's move on to 126. So by dividing 126 by the lowest prime number, which is 2, I get a 63. And 63 is not divisible by 2, so I move on to the next prime number, that is 3, which gives me a 21. And again, 21 is divisible by 3, so I divide it by 3 and get a 7. Since 7 is also a prime number, it is only divisible by itself, so I divide 7 by 7, I get a 1. Now move forward to 108. 108 can be divided by 2, which gives me 54. 54 is an even number and can be divided by 2, so I get 27. Now 27 cannot be divided by 2, so I have to divide it by 3, which gives me 9. And again, 9 can be divided by 3, so I again get a 3, which is a prime number and only divisible by itself. So I divide 3 by 3 and get a 1. So now we'll move forward to the next step, which is finding the highest common factor. So here guys, you can see that we are just going to find out the highest common factor of 30, 126 and 108. We have calculated the prime factors of each number. You can see for 30, the prime factors are 2, 3, and 5. For 126, the prime factors are 2, 2, 3, and 7. And for 108, the prime factors are 2, 2, 3, 3, and 3. So, as you know, the highest common factor, first we have to find the common factors before we move to the highest common factor, right? So for 30, 126, and 108, you have to see which prime factor is present in all these three numbers, So the first prime factor, which is 2, is, as you can see, available in 30, in 126, and in 108. So I have highlighted all these prime factors which are the same. Okay, so this is a common factor, but you see, I am going to ignore these two. Let me use another color to highlight it. This 2 is being ignored and this 2 is being ignored. Why? Because although these two 2's are present in 126 and 108, there is no other 2 in 30, right? So because we have to choose only those prime factors which are present in all these three numbers, okay, when we break them down as prime factors. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Now moving on to the next prime factor, which is 3. Let's move back to yellow. For 3, you can see that 3 is present in 30, 3 is present in 126, and 3 is present in 108. So I am going to highlight and choose 3. I have already highlighted. Excuse for this tiny mistake. And I am going to, use these two numbers to find the highest common factor. But I'll explain to you about the remaining numbers which I haven't used. So for 5, here is this 5. And we are going to ignore this 5 because this 5 is only present in the prime factors of 30. Similarly, this 7 is only present in the prime factors of 126. So we can't choose it, okay? And again, this 3 here and this 3. Both of these 3's are not present in the other two numbers, 30 and 126, when we broke them down as prime factors. So we have to ignore all those numbers which don't have a common factor, which we can match them with the numbers. Okay, so when we choose these two factors, which are the common factors 2 and 3, and we multiply them, as you can see here, we can find the highest common factor. That is, the common factors were 2 and 3. So the highest common factor will be the multiplication of 2 and 3, which turns out to be 6. So 6 is the highest common factor of 30, 126, and 108. Okay, so I hope you guys understood what I was trying to explain, and this is the most easiest way to find the highest common factor. And once you get the whole of the method, it's just a game, you will enjoy it, and we'll further do some more exercises in the upcoming videos. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.